Thank you, Kodak, for sending me that. This is so cool. Look how small the machine is, and it has a camera and a printer in there. Like, wow. I've been already using it so many times with my son. We've been taking pictures and turning it into stickers, and we stick them on our water bottles, on our folders. It's so cute. I will be linking all their information below the video. And today I'll be working on some orders. I have the Lily of the Valley and the paper peony as an order to make. So that's what I'll be doing today. And I think it'll be so cute. I'm going to take a picture of it at the end and turn it into a sticker as well. to Huntington Library today. My friend actually just got me a reservation for the afternoon tea at the Rose Garden Tea Room. I'm so excited. I basically told her I wanted to do a redo from the Victoria trip because I did afternoon tea with my husband and my son, and it was definitely not as fun or cute. So I wanted to do a redo, get all dressed up in this floral dress, and then we'll be heading over to Huntington Library now.